Everything I did these past years was never a mistake. I did those things just to survive, just to see my family satisfied, and just to see my mother smiling. This money helped them a lot, but they were always telling me to change. They were begging me to change my ways. I never liked school. That's why I dropped out in grade 8. The only mentality I'm gifted of is making money by planning heists, robberies, hijacks, etc. I never saw it wrong. I guess my mind was jailed. But while I was spending 15 years in jail, my mind got released. And that's when I realized I was wrong. I got released a year ago. I'm a changed man. My loved ones are so happy that finally I have changed. My family is suffering. I'm the only man. I was a breadwinner. And that I'm changed, things also changed. I was in the light back then, but I'm now in the darkness. What should I do?